What's up, guys? Aluglobus and Globus Gates, our sister company, at the Expo in downtown. Let's see what we got here. I want that Tesla right there. We should put our gates on a Tesla and then send our sales guys like that. So here's Aluglobus. What we got here is a beautiful boot and a lot of complex stuff. We got our Alu 40, 3 different colors. One of your favorites right there, the red oak. We got our Alu 40, our best seller right here. Beautiful. Now remember, because we do custom extrusions, we can go any size, any height, and any color. So this is an 8-foot. If you want an 8-foot privacy fence, we got it. On top right here, we got something special. We got our pergola beam and we cladded the inside to show you guys. So if you have an old pergola or even a stucco pergola or an insulated ugly pergola and you want to make it nice, so what you're going to do is you're going to buy our cladding system, the tongue and roof, or any of our cladding system, the click system as well. You'll use our L system and you'll groove it just like this beautiful pergola we did. Now what you got, you have a beautiful finish and you have the insulation from your old pergola or even building an insulated pergola and then cladding it. Following through, you can do your back wall of the pergola as well. That's a nice option right there. So check that out as well. We got our magazines, our samples here, beautiful extrusion. This is massive post. Some people ask what your post looks like. So that's what it looks like. 125 wall, 6063 T6. Beautiful. Stay tuned for our extrusion video. We just shot last week. A lot of customers were asking us to do that video. So we did that video for you in our extrusion plant in the US. So that's beautiful. So you know you're getting the best. So let's continue here. I want to show you this new system. This system right there, that's a special one. You got louver. You can do it on a fence. You can do it on a gate. But we're proposing also for pergolas. Why not? So if you wanted some privacy and some visibility from sun, that could be a very cool idea. You can clad your AC covers. You can clad your pool equipment covers if they're visible to the backyard. So ask about our new system. By the way, contractors or homeowners, we can send you our price list for material only or for install. So that's how we help both of best world right there. That's a beautiful pergola right there here. This is our TNG wood-like, such a blast, very heavy duty. There's our click system. There's a track behind, 2 black tracks for our click system. There's different cladding system. And then we have our Clad 100. And this is a beautiful, we bring this already a couple times to the show, is the sliding gate, frameless. This is a new one. This is a new color, oak, right? It's a 4-inch, so you have some visibility. It's actually a gate. You can't even tell it's a gate. This could be a blast gate for your backyard, front yard, side gates. This is super elegant. A lot of customers were asking for this color, and now you have it. And let's see this gate right here. We like to use plexiglass because it's strong. This is the Shark Tank gate, we call this. The Shark Tank gate, why? Because it's aluminum and Shark Tank approved this. Watch our videos, you'll see him there. Laser cut, any design you want. We do CNC in-house, so we can get a blast gate. This is a masterpiece right here. It's a 4-inch masterpiece. Louver system, what a beauty. You got the stamp, so you know you're getting the best. You can lock it, you can do handles, pull handles, strikers. It's a massive gate, beautiful. This is your ultra-modern project. This is another mini pergola of ours with our clad system, privacy, full privacy that you can do also. And here we got our DIY Universal. Once again, you see the logo, you know you're buying the best. This is a really popular one. This is our wood look TNG, wood-like. Now this gate, you can do on your own. As you're a contractor or homeowner, this is gonna give you a blast of solution if you wanna save a buck or two, or even if you're a contractor and wanna offer this and do it yourself and cut the cost and make more money, that's your solution right there. Oh, we just missed out this one. This is a collab that we have. Let me get that piece for you here. The back is black and the front is wood-like, and you can do any color. You can do it on your fence, gate, sliding gate, and potentially even on your walls if you would like. That's a very, very nice. And don't forget the rainbow fence. Rainbow fence, because we powder coat in the US and we have super durable from Tiger, super durable certification. So you know your powder coating is on the highest level possible. You can do any color. And yes, once again, retail and wholesale sister company. Check out our WhatsApp app that you can link us fast and get prices really fast. Check us out on App Store. Download our app if you're a contractor. It's going to really help you. And there you go. That's a little bit about our show here in LA Expo. Proposing all of our products, everything that we do. We also show some raw extrusions just for fun and to see how the pieces are made. So beautiful, right? Aluglobus, we're going to be helping you, and with Globus Gates, sister company for contractors, homeowners, architects, designers, getting your silkiest, smooth fences, gates, and wall cladding and pergolas, and giving you options from material only all the way to the install. So here's your Shark Tank, what I was talking about. We got this verified there, but I want to show you something real cool here, guys, is our cable railing system. So we do have cable railing systems for material only or with install, and they're a blast. And you can do our system for vertical, horizontal, and right there, that's actually Malibu Beach. So that's right in front. That's why you want to get that super durable coating, right? So if you want gates, fence, wall cladding, or pergolas, you know exactly where to go. If you're a contractor, homeowner, designer, we're here to help. Aluglobus and sister company Globus Gates, checking out.